Hello everyone, my name is Clyde Stanley Inson.
I'm Sajin D. Villanueva.
And I'm Kenzo Rapil B. Bondo. And we are Group Newtonian. This is the materials needed. First, container.
Cornstarch.
Cold water. First, we're gonna pour the cornstarch on the container. Second, we're gonna pour the water on the container.
Third, we are going to mix it.
And after that process, we made the non-Newtonian fluid. What is a non-Newtonian fluid?
The non-Newtonian fluid is fluid change of thickness when applied a force. How does the non-Newtonian work?
The non-Newtonian fluid works of deviating from predictable of Newtonian like water. Why does a non-Newtonian fluid change in the thickness? Because its particles interact differently under applied stress. This is our experiment, and we are Group Non-Newtonian.